Hey guys, it's Jenny. I am a hairstylist as well as a clean beauty coach. I teach women how to transition to non-toxic clean beauty products that are safe for them, their family, and the environment and not harmful to animals. So let's talk today about some DIY beauty products. Okay, so just because you can't always make it to the spa doesn't mean you can't make the spa at home, right? I am going to share with you guys 5 different DIY beauty products that you can make at home today. Well, actually, one of them is going to take 2 days because you gotta let it air out, but we'll come to that later. Okay, so you can use just your regular staple items that you have at home, a few of them being like honey, coconut oil, oatmeal, sugar, essential oils, apple cider vinegar. Ooh, that's a really good one too. Let's see, what else do I have? Cucumber, mint, Epsom salt, banana. You can make so much just from things that you can find in your kitchen. So why am I sharing this with you? Well, on average, women put on about 12 different products on their body a day, which in return is about 168 chemicals. Now, some of the chemicals are beneficial, but some of those chemicals are toxic and harmful to you. They're harmful to your reproductive system. They can be harmful to other organs in your body. They can cause skin irritation. So it's just nice that when you do these DIY, you know exactly what is going into every single product you are making. Another thing that's awesome with these is you can have your kids partake and help you make these during the daytime, and then you totally get to enjoy them in the evening. Just make sure you lock the door because nobody likes to have little kids coming in the bathroom when they're trying to relax in a bathtub. Am I right? All right, you guys. So this is just going to be a short video because I'm going to link the blog post to this video so that way you can get all of the recipes right there written down for you. So I have included an apple cider vinegar foot soak. Talk about relaxing those feet at the end of the day, helping to detoxify all the toxins out of your feet, and then just to relax. So when you're doing that, why not throw a face mask on? I have an awesome recipe for an oatmeal honey mask, and that's pretty much all it is. Oatmeal, honey, and water. Put that on your face. It helps with acne, it helps with anti-aging, it helps with oil. Just let that sit on and relax. And then you could also put some cucumbers on your eyes. Those help with like depuffing. Another great one that you can take a bath. I have a recipe here for a bath soak. So relax in the bathtub. It has Epsom salt in it. So you're gonna also do another detoxification. Great for the muscles, great for the system. But while you're soaking in the tub, why not put a hair mask in? And so this is one of the ones I did just recently too. It's a banana, honey, coconut oil hair mask. It smells delicious and makes your hair super soft and healthy. So you can soak in the tub while putting your hair mask on. Try the cucumber slices again. And then I'm also sharing with you, let's see, we have our body scrub. So this body scrub is going to smell delicious. So make sure you click the link below to access all of these recipes so you can do a little DIY self-love at home, bring the spa to you, and then also bonus, save these because if you know somebody who has a birthday coming up or any of the holidays when they approach, you can use these kind of recipes to make and give one of your lovely friends or family members or somebody the beautiful gift of self-love. All right, you guys, I hope you enjoy making these. Have fun with them. If there's an ingredient in there that you don't have on hand, feel free to swap it out. That's the nice thing with DIY stuff is you can customize them and make them for you. If there's something that you know you're allergic to, switch it to something else. Sometimes instead of honey, you can use agave syrup. You can also use coconut yogurt. There's a lot of different substitutions. So if you have any questions on those, please do not hesitate to reach out. But otherwise, look at your schedule, mark in there a day that you are going to be doing some self-care, self-love, because no matter what is going on in the world, we all need to give ourselves some time to focus on ourselves. Have a great, relaxing day. Bye.